Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen. Today's recipe is duck humba. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of today's dish: duck, garlic, bay leaves, soy sauce, brown sugar, onion, 7-Up, and ground black pepper. Now, let's start cooking. This is very easy dish to do. Just pour everything in one pot. In a cold pot, just add the duck. Onion, sugar, garlic, bay leaves, soy sauce, 7-Up, and pinch of ground black pepper. Mix it up. And put the heat on and simmer it for about an hour. And let the ingredients work their magic. After an hour of cooking, it is now ready. Now, let's taste it. Delicious! Wow! Duck humba. Serve with rice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching. I have to go now because there is some wonderful duck waiting for me to eat. See you soon!